The first step fixes the two measuring line position angle iron. Fix this angle iron first. Find the screws and this angle iron. Secure both sides. Step 2. Secure the ruler link bar. Secure this screw, fixed on the ruler. The third step is to fix the ruler to the line angle iron. Tighten the screws. Step 4. Attach the locator to the leaning ruler. The positioning is fixed on this rule. The fifth step, 8 of the air tube inserted in the oil-water separator, air pressure to 0.6. This trachea goes in here. This oil-water separator, if you adjust the air pressure, twist clockwise, this gas meter will move. Step 6, plug in and start the controller. Press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Step 7. Adjust the flange, adjust the depth of the upper drill, rotate up to make deep holes, rotate down to make shallow holes. The top end height adjusts this flange. It's deeper if you twist it upwards. Step 8. Adjust the depth of the side drill and adjust the rear flange. Adjust backward for deep, forward for light. The black steering wheel behind the side diamond shades. If you twist forward, you hit deep. There's a backup mother in the back. When the time comes, lock this flange to the back spare female. Adjust the height here. Adjust the bottom handle to adjust the height of the side drill. Adjust this square bearing. After adjustment, power on and use. Buttons from right to left. The first right is the side calibrator. The second from the right is kernel knife. The third from the right is the side drilling of holes. This is the side end of the sharpener. Upper drill chipper. The fourth from the right is the upper drill punch. The fifth right is up and down. Side drill sharpener adjustment. This is a side track. Tap the pedal. Side drill start. Press the second key, trying to get off the pedal. Top and bottom start. Press the first key. Drill startup complete. Stand sideways. Press the first key. This first key, it all moves. Second key to drill start. Press the third key. Side drill start. It's all about clicking the pedals.